In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export a conversation on Slack. If you want to keep a local backup of important chat history, project discussions, shared references, or file activity, Slack gives you two practical ways to do it. The first method is a full workspace export, which is meant for people with administrative permissions. The second method is a simple manual copy process for saving a specific direct message or private conversation when you do not have admin access. Before you begin, it's important to know that full exports are restricted. You'll need the proper workspace owner or admin permissions to use that option. If you're a regular member, the manual method is the one to use. To start the full workspace export, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once your workspace is open, go to the top left corner and click the workspace name to open the main menu. From there, look for Tools and Settings, or in some workspaces, Administration, and then select Workspace Settings. This opens the Secure Settings page in your browser. When the settings page loads, look near the top right area for the Import Export Data option and click it. That takes you to the section Slack uses for data migration and export tasks. Next, make sure you are on the Export tab. Here, choose the export date range that fits your needs. You can export a recent period, all available history, or a custom range if you only need specific dates. After selecting the range, click Start Export. Slack will then begin preparing your data on the server side and package the conversation history into a zip file. Depending on the amount of data, this may take a little time, so be patient while it processes. Once the export is complete, Slack updates the page and usually sends a confirmation notification to your account. Return to that same export page and click the download link or the option marked Ready for Download. The zip archive will then download to your computer, usually into your default downloads folder. If you do not have admin privileges, open the direct message or private chat you want to save from the left sidebar. Click at the beginning of the section you want to keep, then hold Shift, scroll to the end of the conversation range, and click again to highlight the messages. After that, copy the selected text, open a document editor like Notepad, a code editor, or an online document, and paste the conversation into a blank file. This gives you a quick personal backup you can save locally. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you